Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to send data from your receptionist to GoHighLevel using an inbound webhook. You can also use this method with other platforms like HubSpot by using a Zapier webhook, but for today, we'll focus on GoHighLevel. Let's get started. First, you'll need to set up your receptionist. Make sure to update important details like your stages, company name, and services. Once everything looks good, save your changes. Now, let's move on to the webhook setup. Once the receptionist setup is complete, navigate to the webhook settings. Here we'll be adding a GoHighLevel inbound webhook. Next, go to GoHighLevel's automation section and create an inbound webhook. This will give you a unique URL. Copy this URL and paste it into your data point submission webhook of the receptionist. Make sure to paste it here as these are the data points being collected in the receptionist. Once pasted, it will automatically save and you'll see a saved message. After that, you need to test it. Dial your receptionist number and have a conversation. You can book an appointment, which will collect data points. As you can see, it collects different data points at various stages. These data points are sent to the webhook. You can perform different automations based on the collected data points. Once you test the call, the webhook triggers and you'll receive a response. Here you can see the responses. Select the latest one by date and time. You can view call details. I tested a call, selected the latest one, and here are the parameters. At this stage, I spoke briefly and hung up, so it collected the first stage information. Store that information in a variable. You can run different automations based on the data. Select the mapping reference, save it, and you'll see action create contact. In create contact, select phone, then select inbound webhook to see the data points. Select the caller ID phone number. I'm naming this action create contact via phone number now. I need to add information to the notes. Here I'll add notes, including the name, caller name, and other collected data points. I can also update fields by clicking Update Fields and selecting the contact name data point. Select the data point for the name. I want to update the contact name only if it's empty, so I'll add an if condition here. The action will be named check contact name. I'll set up a branch. If the contact name is empty, it will be true, and then the name will be updated. If the contact name is not empty, the condition will be false, and it won't update the name. As you can see, it creates two branches. Contact name is empty and contact name is not empty. If empty, it updates. If not, it skips the update. You can apply similar logic for other data points like Medicare. You can trigger different automations based on data like Medicare or other criteria. Just collect the data points and run your automations. You can send emails based on these points too. At the initial stage, when I tested it, I only responded to the first stage, and it collected parameters like caller ID name and phone number. If I wanted a new policy, it would move to that stage and collect more data points. You can add your own data points. Once collected, they will be sent to GoHighLevel for automation. You can store this data in notes, update fields, or add tags. That's it. You've successfully connected your receptionist to GoHighLevel using a webhook, and now you can automate your workflows based on the data you collect. If you need more details, feel free to check out our documentation. Thanks for watching.